Now mind you people, we're at the top of Mount 303 out here outside of Wagon. We're at the top of the mountain. Now tell me, why would it be a motherfucking turret mounted on top of this here? Torres has demonstrated the shit still works. Firing mechanisms, all go. Look at that, triggers work. This is huge, this is ridiculous. Yo, we popping off anything in the air with this shit. Ridiculous. Yo, why would they have this up here? Torres?
I don't know, Billy. I just don't know.
One of those questions.